Hey there, small business owner. Wondering if SEO is worth your time and money in 2025? Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. The average small business sees $2.75 return for every dollar spent on SEO. But here's what they don't tell you. While paid ads stop working the moment you stop paying, SEO keeps working 24/7, bringing you customers even while you sleep. Most businesses see real results within 6 to 12 months. Yes, it takes time, but remember, good things come to those who wait and optimize. Real businesses are seeing real results, like Sarah's Bakery, which grew online orders by 150% in just 6 months. Starting at just $599 per month, that's less than your coffee shop's daily revenue. And the returns? They keep growing month after month. Ready to see what SEO can do for your business? Click below for your free SEO audit. Visit MarketinGear.com for all digital business solutions at one place.